Tucked away in the Halton Hills is Steelforme. Steelforme is an emerging company competing with top luxury brands like Alessi from Italy and Stelton from Denmark. Founder Craig Ball says the company's origins run through his family history.
My grandfather in India is a manufacturer of stainless steel tableware. He's been in the industry since 1963, and I started importing his products from 2001 into Canada for the North American market, trying to focus on food service, so retail, food service, hotels, restaurants, gift shops, and also promotional products. The company kind of evolved over time, and I started to take more of an interest in creative design. And I think that's kind of where I learned that my passion was truly actually design versus importing developed products from overseas.
Ball explains that Steelforme has many advantages as an up-and-coming Canadian manufacturing company.
I think that Canadians appreciate something made in Canada. Not a lot is made in Canada today. It is very true that European brands have a lengthy head start over a company like Steelforme. For example, companies in Italy have been in this industry for 100 plus years. But also, once you're large, it's also, you move slower and you react slower to market demand.
Steelforme's manufacturing process starts with plain stainless steel bowls, which he calls blanks, a concept inspired by his spouse's business.
My wife's an optometrist, and what they do in the optical industry is they take what's called a blank. A blank is basically a lens that already has a prescription in the lens, but it needs to be grinded down to fit into a frame. So basically the blank concept, which we use here, came from that kind of idea of taking an inexpensive raw material and adding value to it using modern technology.
Industrial designers create the design of the patterns using 3D CAD or computer animated design software. The designs are then converted into a CAM file, or computer-aided manufacturing, which allows the laser cutting machine to precisely cut the patterns into the blanks.
So we work with independent designers, industrial designers basically, based out of Hamilton. We also work with two designers out of New York, a designer named Kareem Rashid and another designer named Lisa Smith out of New York. And we basically load them on a 3D laser cutting machine, which allows us to cut just about any pattern into the 23 blanks using CAD software. So basically we work with an industrial designer that helps us develop themes or lines based on what we're looking to add to our collection. And then we use our in-house engineer to do all the CAD drawings and convert them to CAM files in order to be cut.
Steelforme has the unique ability to produce colored, scratch-resistant stainless steel.
It's a titanium-based formula which actually enhances scratch resistance, enhances corrosion resistance, and it allows you to color steel in various colors. So the standard colors that we have recently launched are a black titanium, a gold, a rose gold, and we're working on a copper finish as well, which we should be launching in January.
According to Ball, the colored, scratch-resistant stainless steel bowls are not only more practical, but also very fashionable.
And what this does is it reduces the coldness of stainless steel, that surgical look of stainless steel, and it appeals to a broader market. Visually appealing as well as more functional, because you've enhanced the scratch resistance, which everyone knows that stainless steel does scratch over time. It is a hard material, but scratches do appear fairly easily.
Currently, you can find Steelforme's products at select luxury stores throughout North America and Australia.
We're currently sold in about 100 stores in North America. We launched about 14 months ago. In the GTA, we're in about a dozen stores, including William Ashley's in Yorkville. We're in a store called Dana Jordan. We are in Burgo Designs.
You can see his entire collection and find where his products are sold on his website, steelforme.com. For Ignite News, I'm Kareem Mosnow.